The Sangtam people, like all Nagas, were headhunters before the advent of Christianity. They continued to preach and practice animistic rituals and traditions even when the gospel had been spread to most of the Naga inhabited areas. Hence, the British administrators, not having occupied the Sangtam land, did not allow American missionaries to enter. In the years between 1912 and 1916, there was a great famine in some parts of Sangtam soil. As a result, Sekeling, the first Sangtam Christian convert, decided to travel to our area in search of food and to earn his livelihood. His journey took him to Aonokpu village. Sekeling was deeply taken aback by their hospitality and their faith. It was only when Sekeling felt terribly ill and was preyed upon by one Mrs. Pangerla that he, on recovering, accepted the gospel. He was later baptized by an American missionary named Dr. J.R. Bailey. Sekeling realized that he had to preach the gospel to his own people, that they too may be saved. And so he proceeded towards his own land, the land of the Sangtams. He, however, did not receive the best welcome on his return. The acceptance of the gospel took a gradual yet an overwhelming process among the Sangtam Nagas. The spread of Christianity among the Sangtam people is accredited to our Ao brethren, for it was through the exchange of communication, frequent commuting to Mokokchung from both Longkim and Kifri areas, and an amicable relation between the two tribes. It was in 1946 when the Sangtams from all Sangtam areas unitedly agreed to call ourselves as United Sangtam, and today we the Sangtam people come under one banner, United Sangtam Baptist Litroti Ashimukong.
Ma using to jolly cho you tipa yang ma kyo cho nu yo cho the tang ki da nam ko ki ta ti ro ti yo la ma wa no ha ma mo no yo cho